guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the April T-Shirt of the Month Club by Shabby Lane to show you. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club for April has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing T-Shirt of the Month Club to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you know, you know, this one is absolutely amazing. You get a new T-shirt with a new design, a random color that everybody gets, and they're always on these soft blended Bella and Canvas unisex shirts. And they go from small all the way to 4XL. And in the subscription, because you can purchase tons of shirts, all different colors, short sleeve, long sleeve, seasonal, just themes, anything on their site, because I've already purchased some and showed you. But they also do when in their subscription, there's always one little special gift in here, a free little item other than just the shirt. So that's exciting because there's always something else that you don't know what it is. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be for April's month. I'm always so excited to see the new design, to see the new color. Ooh, and speaking of color, I don't think I have something quite like that. It's like a fuchsia. I love that color. It's like a raspberry fuchsia color. Let me remove this. Okay, so with this one, you also get these little cards, and I love to tell you guys, you can really use these for anything. You can write on the back of them, use them as like a card for somebody, a thank you just because, just a note. You can put them like in a frame and decorate for the seasons, the time of year, holidays, that kind of thing. But you always get two of them with the shirts, and there's always one of them in with the free gift. So this one says, find joy in the journey and be pretty strong, pretty brave, pretty kind. Isn't that so cute? And I love the colors. Like I said, I always keep these because you never know what you can do. You can use them for scrapbooking, journaling. I mean, literally, you can use these cards for anything, but they're always different, and I love that. So let's go with the free gift, and then I'm going to show you what's on the t-shirt. So for this month, it looks like we have a necklace. So it says, friend, try to find joy in the journey. It's not always about the destination. Find time to enjoy the little things along the way. Collect beautiful moments this season. Wake up each day expecting great things. Yes, always expect great things. I am so incredibly grateful for you. Because of you, I am able to do what I love. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Much love, Catherine, the Shabby Lane shop owner. So you always have a little card too that always has something different on like the first paragraph. So that is really neat. And then we have this card that says, stay close to what keeps you feeling alive. And then we have this necklace. It's on a gold chain, and it has like a bar, and it looks like there's like white daisies on there. My eyes aren't that good these days, but it looks like there's like little white daisies on there. Isn't that super cute? That is so cute. And the chain actually has like little, can you see that? The little lines, like here, 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 here. So it's not just a basic chain. It does have those little, I don't know what you want to call them, but it makes it look unique. It makes it look completely different than any other one that I've seen. And then you just have like a nice, pretty look flower scene on there. Perfect for like spring and summer. So there is the necklace. Again, it could be anything you get, but you always have a free little gift in there, which is so neat. So let's get back to this raspberry colored shirt. Find joy in the journey. I love it, and I love the little heart underneath. Super, super cute. So do you want to see it on? Here we go. So there you go. Find joy in the journey. Lovely saying, lovely color. So for this month, you have this beautiful designed and colored shirt, the necklace, and the 3 cards. Okay, you guys, so that is what came in the April box. What do you think of this color? What do you think of the saying on it? I love it. And I just love this raspberry fuchsia color. I don't think I have any kind of pinky burgundy color just quite like this one. So I love that. And I always tell you guys that if you would like your Instagram feeds, if you have an Instagram account, to be filled with some positivity, definitely follow this company on Instagram. They post and they put like the most amazing little things on there. I love reading them because they say like inspirational things, motivation, just very nice quotes and stuff that they post. So if you do, definitely follow them on their Instagram so your feeds will be filled with positivity for once, because I love seeing it. But if you would like some information about this company, I will let you know the pricing. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty20, and that will get you 20% off your first monthly subscription if you want to jump to the monthly subscription. So with their subscription, there's actually two different ones. They have this T-shirt of the month club, and if you do month per month, you can cancel at any time. The first one is discounted to $19.95, and it looks like it's normally $24.95, but then as you go to the bigger sizes, it might go up like $1 or $2, and that's because the shirt costs more money. So depending on which size, but it starts at $19.95 for the sale price. You can do a 3-month subscription starting at $73. A 6-month subscription will start at $147, and then a full 12-month prepaid subscription would start at $294. And again, I say start at because of the size. I always forget to say that part, but like I said, the bigger sizes are only up $1 or $2. So that's not bad at all. So the other one that they do have, it has no shirt in it. It just has like their boutique items, like the necklaces, bracelets, that kind of thing. You have the boutique bag VIP membership for $29.99 or the deluxe boutique bag VIP membership for $39.99. I will link them down below in the description box if you'd like to pop on over and check out either one of their subscriptions or all of their amazing single items you can purchase from their shop. And again, SheCrafty20 will get you 20% off your very first month if you are interested. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.